Hello friends. Sure, here are some frequently asked questions about betta fish. 1. How often should I feed my betta fish? Betta fish should be fed small amounts of high-quality fish food once or twice a day. Overfeeding can lead to health problems, so it is important to avoid giving them too much food. 2. How often should I clean my betta fish's tank? Betta fish tanks should be cleaned once a week, or more frequently if needed. This includes changing 20–40% of the water and removing any debris or uneaten food. 3. Can betta fish live in a bowl? While betta fish can technically survive in a bowl, they require a larger tank with a filter and heater to thrive. Bowls can also be difficult to maintain proper water quality, which can lead to health problems for the fish. 4. Can betta fish live with other fish? Betta fish are known for their aggressive behavior towards other fish, especially other male bettas. They should be kept in separate tanks or with compatible tank mates such as peaceful fish that do not have long, flowing fins. 5. How long do betta fish live? Betta fish can live up to 3–5 years with proper care. It is important to do research and learn about betta fish care before getting one as a pet to ensure that you can provide them with the proper environment and care they need to thrive. The Siamese fighting fish will always be one of the most popular aquarium fish out there. I just love all the different betta fish types, which makes it too tough to choose a favorite. Which is your favorite betta type? Let me know below in the comments. If you liked it, then please subscribe to the channel and like it. Goodbye!